Kua hoki mai te whakaaturanga mahi toi o te Whare Maire o ngā Pūnāwerewere.
Koro ana mo ngā Pūnāwerewere ka puta i tā rātou whare, tā rātou kohanga, ka puta ki te ao whānui, i roto i a rātou mahi toi.
Nō tēnei wiki i tūwhera ngā kuaha o Linwood Arts mō te whakaaturanga nei, he whakaaturanga toi Māori, mā ngā Ringatoi Māori, nā he Māori anō te kai whakamahiri pirihi. Koinei te huritau e rua tekau mā rima.
Yeah, we've got a collection of toki and roimata with different varieties of Pounamu in there. This here is a grim, pretty bleak, but somewhat resolved as well, tale of Ōtautahi and New Zealand as a whole.
They were inspired by my travels. My trip earlier on this year went to Rarotonga.
Ko Redgie Walker-Small tētahi o ngā Ringatoi Māori e tekau mā rua, ko te ariki o Te Waipounamu, te ingoa o tētahi o ōna mahi.
I wanted to show paying homage, I suppose, to the people here before. I wanted to show the reflections of Waita'a and also just the strength of those people that were here, I suppose. Before, all the later iwi came as well.
Nā I tīmata ia tāna haerenga toi I te warutau o tāna pakeke.
I took my father's view, and he comes from that generation where the people before him were either strapped or whatever for speaking reo, or it just was so frowned upon that he was that generation that unfortunately just didn't take kindly to it. Toi Māori for me was actually coming back to something that I had lost.
E ai ki te ringatohu auaha a Liz Bolt, koinei he whare haumaru mō ngā Ringatoi Māori pērā i a Walker-Small, kaore I piri I ngā āhuatanga o tō rātou toi, engari e hiahia ana ki te ako.
We're trying to provide as many accessible and affordable exhibition opportunities as possible. I'm seeing such a wonderful resurgence in Māori art across the city and across the country.
Nō nāia nei, he ringatoi whiako, ka tiro whakamua Walker-Small ki te kite I ngā ringatoi hou.
I'd like to see them come up and feel confident that they have a voice.
We are mentoring artists through their art practice, supporting artists into the exhibition process, and so we specialise in exhibiting artists who are new and emerging.
Ka haere tonu te whakaaturanga nei ki te tekau o akuhata. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te taka.